Hello! To open SIM slot without SIM tool on your Realme 14 Pro Plus, I recommend to get yourself the paperclip. It is the most common item you can actually find in your house and it fits perfectly just like the SIM tool actually. It is thin, straight and made out of metal, as you can see, so I recommend to use the paperclip. And simply all you have to do is to straighten out the paperclip so one of the ends is like straight, as you can see, and this will actually fit the pinhole right here for the SIM tray with no problem. As you can see, all you have to do is simply take this paperclip, carefully insert this paperclip into the pinhole, straighten it out like this, and simply push inwards. And after that, as you can see, here we have the SIM tray ejected. Simply grab it with your nails and take it out really carefully. And as you can see, it comes out with no problem. And you have to take it really carefully since this SIM tray is very fragile and it might actually bend while taking it out or inserting it back into your phone. So be careful, and that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.